Hey everyone, in this meeting we are going to see about the Signal service which is provided by Microsoft, right? This is one of the Azure service. We can use it for having lots of WebSocket connections and manage it, right? So it's scalable, so you can use them. One of the other competitive services like for SignalR is Azure Web Hub, but SignalR is having a fallback mechanism where you can run your applications from your old browsers as well. But everyone has modern browsers, and we can go for Azure Web Hub as well. And if you are using JavaScript web client, probably you can think of SignalR. That's why I'm having here one of the Signal implementation, which I'm going to go through with you. So for that, let's see a demo where you can. So in the downloads, I'm going to see Signal client. See here, I'm having two HTML pages, right? So here I'm going to say, hey, connect me, and also the index1.html connect me. So I have a session ID attached to this pages, right? So if it is 1 2 3 4, then the copy one, the copy.html is going to run and receive the method. So behind the scenes, it's actually establishing. If you go network socket connectivity, you can see connect to signal R, right? So it's going to make a connectivity. Example, okay, negotiate is done. For negotiating the Signaler URL. Right now it got it, and the socket connectivity is open, and we are going to see the messages coming in here. So this is actually listening for, and this as well. This is connected as well. Now I'm going to post some events to Reddish, and from there I'm going to read it and push it into the Signaler, right? So this is my way of calling function app, meaning this is going to post into Reddish. Another one, this is saved, but the problem here, we are not listening yet. So I need to run this guy as well in order to push, in order to receive the methods from events from all the methods from Reddish. This is the Reddish I have spin up. I have the password also, but I'm going to delete. I'm going to delete this guys, right? Uh, so that is fine to have and show the passwords to you. Now I'm gonna see if any other. Let's see if it's running, right? So I need three components to run this one. One is a client application which connects to the Signal R, and another one is from Reddish, right? I wanted to push the messages to relevant app browsers that they are subscribing the events. So it's saying I have another function app running. So let's kill it. Come to service. Yeah, let's do that one. So it's saying, okay, I need to delete this guy, not run this one. So let's see. Meanwhile, it's being built. Now, this is actually for Redis to SignalR. I'm reading the events from Reddish. This is how you subscribe an event for all the Reddish events, right? I'm giving a star here. That means I receive all the events. Then I'm pushing into as using a SignalR event. I'm making a message and I'm pushing the value. I'm making use of the user ID, so that the 1 2 3 4 that you have seen it in here, right? This I said, okay, these guys are 1 2 3 4, and this guy is listening 1 2 3. So that's the one we are actually sending to the right particular person, particular WebSocket. Okay, these are your events. So that's what we are doing here. How do we connect to SignalR? SignalR is here, and SignalR's seconds. I'm going to local settings. So this is my SignalR connectivity. Let's get rid of this WebSocket. We are not using it anymore. So this is my end string for the SignalR, and I'm pushing all the events. I think this is all listening now. So let's go back to the events, right? Now I'm pushing something to Reddish. That is number one. And from there, this program is going to listen and put it into the particular channel, particular WebSocket. So we see this guy's reacting to it. So first we'll run it in Internet Explorer. Then we'll see it in Chrome as well, right? So I'm gonna push. Okay, demo value 3. So this guy, yeah, this guy got it, not this guy. So when I go to Reddish and say 1 2 3, this is okay for the small application changes happening, even though we have 100,000 users created WebSockets. We don't worry about it. So this is 3 is received by this guy. You see, let's see 4. We'll say 4. We'll say this message is only for 1 2 3. So this guy did not listen it, and this guy got it for a couple of times. Not sure. Maybe I'm printing it twice. However, we just save the events, right? So if I say this message is for 1 2 3 4, and then this guy receives it. Okay, I'm going to run this one in Chrome also. Okay, I'm running it in Chrome. Then I'll open. So this is the Signal Azure service that I was talking about, right? Now I'm going to, let's connect. So I see the socket opened in here, right? Then I'll see the messages once I publish them. This is actually copy 1 2 3 4 should work. So when I publish the message, see this 1 2 3 4 in Chrome, it's working. And this copy also received 1. The demo value 1 2 3. Let me change this to 1 2 3 4, right? Then it goes to Reddish. Then from there it is light. This 1 2 3 4 in Internet Explorer, and 1 2 3 4 in Chrome. So this way you can have n number of connectivities for each app, right? If you have a different app or one app opened in multiple tabs, right? We can share the application state between applications or between tabs in a single application. Now I'm gonna go through with you the client code as well. Let's open this one in what you would need to listen those events, right? So here I have in this HTML page, I have a JavaScript method given by Microsoft for signalers there, right? And then we can first I'm calling my function app to get to negotiate, right? To negotiate the SignalR URL, because it is not safe to keep any client based secrets, right? Because it's Angular probably, or it's JavaScript, it's all exposed. So I'm writing a function app where you can secure them using Azure OAuth code. Then you can call it. So now when you call this function, it's going to give you back the SignalR URL, where that's a public channel where you can post your messages, or subscribe a message. You don't need a Redis to exchange the messages. In fact, it actually, when there is a common place to publish, or you can just write the user, directly write to their channel as well. It's going to be relied from Signal or Azure Web PubSub. So this is my negotiate URL. I'm getting a JSON output, and I'm saying, okay, I'm using the token. I'm opening a connection to Azure Signal hub. Then I'm saying if there is an incoming message, just gonna add it. That's why you're seeing this message, right? So I hope I have explained everything. I hope that is useful as well. Let's open the publisher, the negotiate URL, right, as well. I think that is there in here. So yeah, this is the one. My negotiate web pub sub is looks like this one. So I connect to the web signal R and get the connectivity details and give it as a response. Okay, I think this has been helpful. Thank you.